You rate the cleaning that you got?
Man, the dust is crying that they wanted to stay. That's how good it is.
All right. Thank you again for joining us today. We are joined by Mr. Peter. We got an opportunity to do a deep cleaning for him today. And he's going to tell us a little bit about the services, how he met us, and what he thinks about the services. So, sir, please, first of all, how did you meet us?
Well, I met you all through my sister. You all did a job with my sister's apartment in Brooklyn. And when I was looking to get the house deep cleaned, she recommended you guys. And that's how we met.
Oh, okay, great. So how was booking services with us?
Booking was easy. And it was simple. It was a simple phone call.
Okay.
A prompt response. Percy was here to look at the place, give me a quote.
Yes, sir.
As to what I was going to have done and compared to what I want done. And I'm very happy.
Thank you. So how will you rate the service that you got?
10 out of 9.
Oh, thank you. How will you rate the cleaning that you got?
Man, the dust is crying that they wanted to stay. That's how good it is.
That's the first one. That's the first time. Thank you. The dust is crying because they wanted to stay. I appreciate that.
I'm serious. They've done an excellent job. I'm sitting here giddy as happy as I could be right now. I actually can see my face in the reflections of some stuff.
Thank you. We couldn't have more of a better recommendation than what you just gave us.
They
We
come
definitely
on time,
appreciate it.
they get right to work, and they do an excellent job.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.